Okay, good evening to everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about some worksheet and practical test questions maybe. It's not a my dear, it's not directly questions. You should practice of them. I will ask based on this practice, not exact these questions. Understood, my dear? It's a practice. And one more thing, practical tests were going to hold in day and 10 September 2025, Wednesday. Understood? Okay, first, practical of computer. This type of question I give, you will do it your computers. Okay, first questions. It's not, my dear, I repeat, it's not a direct question. It's a practice questions. This type of question I will give to you. Understood? Next. Insert five names in Excel and delete any one. Simple. How to insert each name? Open Excel. First open Excel. How to open Excel? Simple. Go to this option, a start button. Otherwise, click on search button. Excel. Type Excel. EXEL. Then hit enter. Just wait, my dear. Okay. Click on the black workbook. Then write name, friend name, Kiran, Ras, Hori, Gopal. Okay, let's continue. And John. Okay, I want to delete the Gopal. What can you do? So we'll click it. Don't press the delete. Okay, don't press it. This is not a delete. This is the delete of content. This is also right, but this is the delete of content. I'm told delete this. So what can I do? Simple click this option. Click on delete option. Sorry, I repeat. Click on row option. Right click it. There's a delete option out there. Delete. Okay, understood? Sorry, once more repeat. Simple. What can I do? I want to delete the hurry. Simple, you will do. Click on this option, click on delete options. The name is deleted, but the cell is empty. Na? That's why it's going to I put Kiran here. What can I do? So I click on this row option, right click it. The delete option is there. Click on delete. Okay. Otherwise, click on this. I want to delete the Raj. What can I do? Click on row. Click there. Delete option. Click on delete. Easy. Next. Sorry. Next. Change the content of the cell and add color. Easy. Change the content of the cell. Is that Kiran is there? I want to change Kiran to Carmen. Carmen. Easy. And I want to change the color. What can I do? So select the cell. Click on this font color option. Choose any color. It's easy. Next. Write your name five times. What can I do? Simple. Write Kiran. K-I-R. Kiran. Sorry. K-I-R. Kiran. What can I do? Simple. Click it. Drag it. Um, okay. Otherwise, क्या दबाना है आपको? Control C. Choose select the cell. Five cell. Press Control V. Otherwise, Control C, cell Control V, so Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. And depends upon you. Understood? I am already told the three steps. First step is what? I want to delete this one. First step, right? Kiran. Okay. I want to print this Kiran five times. What can I do? Simply click it. Just take your cursor, so like a small plus symbol. This is a large plus, it's a small plus symbol. Just left click and hold, sorry, left click and hold and drag. Understood? This is the way. Otherwise, select the cell of the contents, press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Otherwise, you can do this one. Select the cell, press Ctrl C, select five cells, press Ctrl V. Understood? This is the way. Next, write the name five times in MS1 return. Write the series in Excel. Very good. Series. How to write the series, my dear? Simple. I will do it. Let's go. One, two. What can I do? One. We do two, three. It's taking time. Now. What can I do? Simple. Click on this option. That is small. That is small green dot are there. Simple. Good. Just take your cursor. Left click and hold and drag. Okay. It's a fill in the. It's a fill in the coffee. Click on this option. The fill series. Okay, we also do Sunday, Monday. Sunday. Understood. Simple same. Look in this option. Drag. Then drag. Okay. Fill same. January, February also will do. January. Okay. We will do same thing. Then the option. Yeah. Understood. Okay. Then create a worksheet, rename the delete the sheet. This is how to create a worksheet. This is the sheet. I want to create the worksheet. Simply click on this option, plus option. Okay. Click on this option. Okay, how to rename the sheet? Simple, right click it, click on rename, write the name. Otherwise, what can I do? Double click it, RAS. Understood? You also how to delete this? Delete the worksheet? Simple, right click it, delete option, delete. Understood? Next this is the worksheet one. What is OMR? OMR used to checking the scrolling the multiple exam answers. What is biometric? Used to fingerprint by we already know it's biometrics already available in what? I already know. Biometrics is in mobile phone, cell phone. It is OMR is used in our BSc mode. BSc exam, 10th exam. Yes, I'm going to show you. OMR sheet. Just taking time, my dear. Just do it. Uh, this is the OMR sheet. It's, I'm going to show you. The small dot are there. There's a barcode also there. When you scan the barcode, they automatically show in where? In our computer. This is showing the barcodes. This barcode scan the owners and the copy the all the details in owner. Understood? So next. Next, hexadecimal number system. This is the main important point. How to convert number system? They're all having doubts. Okay. Number systems, nothing. They're basically we have an algebra, it's not a number system are there. But in case of our computer system, our computer also having number systems like binary. Now basically, first we start with decimal because all numbers are under which decimals, my dear. Then binary, then octal, and hexadecimal. So saying convert this hexadecimal to that he is saying that find hexadecimal and a decimal. My dear student, hexadecimal is number is used with 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9 hexadecimal. Number is used is 0 to 9. Character is used in hexadecimal A to F. A to F. And the base is 16. Here is base is 16. That's why it goes in it undergoes in hexadecimal. In case of decimal, the base is 10th. And remember, the number is used in base is 10, the number is 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Understood? The base is 10, these are the owner's numbers. Next. Next. Brief note ASCII code. My dear, ASCII code is a American standard code for information structures. My dear students, all the characters having ASCII code. All characters. My dear, A is characters having a code is 65, B is 60 is, small a is 97, small v is 98, small c is 99. There we go, up to Z. Same thing, small capital A is 65, capital B is 66, capital this one, capital C is what? 67. So onwards. Understood? These are the ASCII code. What is the use of ASCII code? ASCII code is basically it's used for understood by computers. Our computer will understand these languages. Computer languages is binary, but ASCII code helps. ASCII code also it's a converter, one type of not a binary language, my dear. It's a ASCII code that means that should be understood by our computer system. Simply understood. Okay. Router. This question says first question is this wait, I'm going to discuss. Story media. Huh. First was the question device used for connecting. What is out? It's a router. Next, pre-agreed signals क्या हुआ? Protocols क्या है? Protocols. Replicates itself so warp. Then one who break into system is a hacker. Hacker is access to anything. A hacker can do anything to hack. Understood? Hacker broke the any systems. Topology, various elements in a network is topology, my dear. Topology, one type of it's a not a various elements in a network. Elements that means not a components, my dear. It's topology, one type of what? It's a system topology. We have to. I'm going to show you. There is a network connection in topology. So I'm going to show you. TOPO, you don't know networks concept. That taking so much time. My dear, we have network connections. You already know we have network connection with Wi-Fi and LAN also LAN connection also there. These are the on-to-cost topology. ये one type of what this type of मतलब क्या है एक rules set of rules मतलब it's a one kind of diagram. We also tell us what type of diagram. There's a boss topology. Slot topology is there. So I'm gonna show you just wait. The topology studies properties special like 11 unders. These are the diagrams you understood, I think. It's 2 hours. Okay. Basically, topology, people understand in our basically in our what schooling system, in our medical, there's no Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is there, but Wi-Fi in using of Wi-Fi, the transmission of data is very slow. That's why they are connected with the LAN connection. These LAN connections undergoes topology. ओके ये रूल्स टोपोलॉजी के रूल्स है इसको फॉलो करके और लगाते हैं उसको अंडरस्टूड अच्छा टोपोलॉजी क्या अच्छा व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ देन व्हाई दे यूज लांस गिव मैक्सिमम स्पीड that's why in our organizations, in our IT sectors, in our school, in our government sector, in our this one medical, we use what this one lab connections. Next, let's worksheet two. Latest antivirus software available is Norton 360. Now latest type of virus represented is ransomware. It's a AI based. It's AI because we know this generation is AI based generations. This is ransomware. Two way to prevent the computer from kind of malware answer. How to protect our computers from malware? What can you do? First, install and update antivirus. This basically we need install and update antivirus. And second, avoid downloading files on trusted source. I'm already told you. Let's consider a new web is lost. You want to see there is lot of websites provided with these videos. Which videos? The new movies. Now Bagi 4 is released. You can watch. How? Using lot of websites are there. These websites provides they provide the videos, but these videos have piracy and have corrupted. When you download the videos, any apps, it harm our systems. Understood? Next, my dear. First of all, what the two way? Install and update antivirus software and avoid downloading the files and untrusted source. It's a main point. Easy, you can understand. Match the following. Cell reference is addressing the cells. Operator specify the type of operations. Function built-in formulas. Constant number of exit values. Enter display the results. Understood? A cell reference tells the artist like A1, A2 operator is already mentioned. Operator specify the types of calculation, function like sum average built-in formula, constant of value like number test, enter key displays the result next. Okay, next. There is a puzzle as there. My dear student, there is some, I think, arrangement is some mistake, but answer is correct. You read the answer, sorry, you read the question and answer. A grid row column which is which is worksheet. Software mainly used to causing the calculation is Excel. A bar located A is Windows navigation scroll bar. Pressing shift towards home. The meeting for this row and column is cell. A vertical line is known as column. It is all of the answers, my dear. Understood. Then test is one also pick the correct options. Which are the following type of impact filter? It's dot matrix. To convert a number to decimal binary number, what can you do? Multiply, sorry, divided by 2. We know that. Which virus infect program file like having an x dot x extensions? The program virus like a dot exe extensions. Understood? Achha. To copy data, use what? To copy data, use what? Copy plus a paste. Easy. Dash refer rotating testing different angle inside cells. Yeah, well, orientation is correct answer. Orientations. In Excel, inform date and time, use format cell option. I'm already using format cell options. I'm already did this one. Okay, just wait. Or I got that. Okay. Sunday. Sorry, this one. Sorry. Okay, this is the format cell option. Okay, click on fill cells. Next, the act talking someone's work facing in their own work is a plagiarism. Okay, known as plagiarism. Two example of non-type printer in inkjet printer. Let's see. All formula must be begin with equal sign, my dear. I'm gonna show you equal sign. Correct. Equal. Let's consider I want to one and one. What gonna do? Equal one plus one. And hit enter. It's two. Next. Next. Scareware a program of that simply display the false by the solitary. Yes. Then a write true or write T for true, F for false. Room is type of primary memory. Yes, room is a primary memory. Correct. Row is a vertical space and down the worksheet. Correct. Vertical space false. Row is a horizontal, not a vertical. These are the row. These are the row. Row is a horizontal. Vertical is column. Okay. The row is denoted as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, up to. And a column is denoted as what? Alphabets. Sp- Spamming and cheating are using email to get the person reveal their personal data. False. Spamming नहीं है. Cheating by using email. Now, spamming that means it's a using email to get person reveal their personal data. No. It's a that is a fees. Not spamming means sending unwanted emails. Spam that means we are sending unwanted emails. You already if you're using Gmail, that already mentioned spam mail. If you use Truecaller app, that's already mentioned spam call. Spam that means unwanted mails, unwanted calls, unwanted messages. Understood? Number system is a set of different values that are used to represent different quantities. True. Number system set different values that are used to represent different quantities. Very good. Actually, binary we have two numbers. The number is two. Binary by means 2, we use two numbers, which is 0 and 1. In case of octal is 8. We use 8 numbers. 0 to 7. 0 count 0 to 7. 0, 1 to 0 to 7 is 8 numbers. Comes to hexadecimal, there's total 16 numbers. That not been We count 0 to 9. 0 to 9 is 18 number, 19, 10 numbers. Count A to F. A to F, A to F, 6 digits are the 6 characters are there. Total is 16. Octal also 8, hexadecimal 16, binary 2, decimal also we have 0 to 9. The 0 to 9 is 10 number. That's why it is decimal. Understood? Decimal means 10. We use 0 to 9 numbers. That means 0 to 9 is 10 numbers now. That's why it's a decimal. Spamming is a cheating by using, I already told you. Next, numbers, antivirus software, utility software, that is a counter logic of scanning detection. Yes, true. Yes. Different between different type of hardware components. Input device, output device. Input device used to enter data in computer, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Output device used to display result, monitor, printer, speaker. Your headphone also output device. Your monitor also output device, my dear. Your monitor also working. This screen touch monitor is work like an input device and output device. Storage device that will store data is permanently temporary storage. Hard disk, pen drive, RAM, etc. etc. Processing device like a CPU, data illustration. CPU is a processing device. Understood, my dear? Next, my dear. Basically, when use anything, मतलब when creating any smart device, we use input devices, output devices, storage devices, processing devices. Sir, you will tell sir where is the power? Power also there. Power also input device, not input devices. Power also one type of backup. It's a power. It's a one type of input also. We input the powers. Huh? That's not an input device, my dear. But basically, we need the power. That means input. Plus, I'm already told in a robotics labs. When you create smart machine, we need a fast powers. Then processing. Then calculations. Then mechanical part. Then AI, artificial intelligence. खुद भी सोचना चाहिए. And one more thing, sensors are there. Sensors. My dear, your mobile phone also I have a lot of sensors. Acha, your sensor. Acha, just wait. I'm gonna show you. When you pick up the call, when you pick up any calls, when you pick up the calls, the light, the display light will automatically off. Why? Because of the sensors. Understood? A lot of sensors. Fingers is also there. And there is a camera also sensor. The panel, the camera has the option. If you put like this option, like what V shape, you're crossing the V shape. So he's clicking the what camera, clicking the selfie. This have the sensor due to the sensor. Basically, understood. Next, difference. Then define the following terms: face values, position value. Actual value of a digit number is like it's a face value. 4, 5, 6 face value is 5 is 5. Understood? Position value is the value of a digit depending on its place value. My dear, it's a face value. That means 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 4 is 5. Position value that means 5 is represents 10th positions. That's why 5 into 10 is 50. 6 is noted 6. 4 is counted as a 400. You already learned this thing in class 3, class 5. Understood? Not position, understood? Face value that means direct value. What is the face value of 5? The 5. What is the face value of 6? The 6. What is the face value of 4? The 4. If I ask, what is the face value of a 4, 5, 6? Sorry, what is the position value of 4? What can I do? What will the answer? Answer is the position value of 4 is what? 4 into, it's 100 positions. 4 into 100 is 400. Easy. Define malware and explain different type of malware. Malware is a malicious software designed to harm the computers. Basically, it's a software that harm our computers or steal our information, basically. Like a virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, ransomware, etc. etc. Ransomware, etc. What do we understand by firewall? Firewall. Firewall is security system that monitor and control the incoming and outgoing network traffic. It protect our computer from unauthorized access. Understood? Firewall. Yeah. Nobody can access our computer because firewall are there. Discuss the preventive measurement that need to taken while using the internet. Install and update and discuss the preventive digital and update antivirus software. Use strong unique passwords, having my strong password that means having characters, uppercase, lowercase, special effects, special characters, number also there. Avoid clicking the suspicious links emails. I'm going to tell you in a class, don't click in unwanted emails like you won a 5,000 gift and he sent the link. When you click the link, your data will be controlled by this someone. Your data will be stolen. Understood? Next, what are the advantages of using of a Microsoft Excel? Very good questions. Using of a Microsoft Excel is a first class. I will tell you in Microsoft Excel, easy to data enter organizations. We can easy to data entry and organizations. We can lot of calculations, lot of formulas are there, and a graph chart we also made the graph charts, my dear. Then let's consider I want to check computer charts. What can I do? Select the test, my dear. Select the test. There's no data there, but still I want to make this computer chart. Click on the insert option. This there is a lot of the chart section are there. Click any chart. Choose any charts, my dear. There the charts option is also. Just wait. This chart option is. Sorry, there is some mistake. Okay, there is a chart option also there. And so we can easy to make, my dear. Next, data analytic using filter sorting. Very good. Filter sorting and data analytic both also. Let us consider, my dear. I want to do one more thing. Just wait. A, B, C. मैं कुछ नाम देता हूँ ठीक है. A, B. Story I'm gonna show you. Okay. Okay. These are the names. Something. My dear students, that's having the numbers is 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 2, 2, 2, 1, 12, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, my dear student, now I'm going to check how many students get two numbers. What can I do? Simply click on this option. There's a filter option there. Click on filter option. There's a filter option. Click. Okay. I want two. Click on two. Sorry. I want to check who's taking two option. Two marks. Suppose click on this two mark. Then okay. Who's taking two marks? A ये गलत है ये नहीं ये heading है इसलिए there is no sorry I'm gonna show you something. It's a name. Okay. So mark. I want to check how many students get two marks. H Y F G F D D F G F. Details again because of his using of this one filter options. Understood? That is the purpose of auto fit row and height. Auto fit row and height automatically adjust a row height the fit text data inside the cell. Auto fit, my dear student. Let's consider his skill. Kumar. Understood? If you double click it, right, it's not auto features are there, so I'm going to show you. It's auto feature is word double O auto word auto fit. Why I'm showing you word because okay. My dear, let's consider this is the table. There's a insert table option there. So auto feed container. There's a container. I'm gonna show you this two column, two column, two column. Then simple. We don't want to choose this option. Then okay, okay. Abras, Kumar, Das. देखो ये क्या हो रहा है the row automatically move to the side. If you choose this option, click on table option, click on draw table option, sorry, enter table option, click on auto fit content. So I want to choose only two columns that are here. Then just wait, some more there. Click on insert option, click on table, click on draw table, insert table, then choose to auto fit. Okay. Then Raj, Kumar, Das. It's automatically fit. Kiran, Kumar, Das. This is the next auto fit content. Understood? Okay, next. Okay, that's for today. Okay. Hope you enjoyed and subscribe my channel.